Search engine optimization is the practice of getting targeted traffic to a website from a search engine's organic unpaid rankings. The goal of search engine optimization is to rank your website higher in search results for queries, known as keywords, related to your business. Because ranking higher can lead to more traffic to your site, which can lead to more conversions for your business, like sales or signups. Search engine optimization is also about improving a site's organic ranking. It covers technical aspects of your website and content-specific best practices to make it easier for search engines like Google to find and understand your content and to provide a better user experience. Common tasks associated with search engine optimization include creating high-quality content, optimizing content around specific keywords, and building backlinks. The main benefit of ranking for a specific keyword is that you can get free traffic to your site month after month. Let's break it down to simpler terms. Imagine you want to find the best ice cream shop in your city. You'd probably use a search engine like Google, right? You'd type in something like best ice cream near me. Search engine optimization is like making your ice cream shop show up higher in the search results. Think of it this way. Keywords are like the words people use to search. Best ice cream near me is a keyword. So do you know how to make your business rank higher on search results? Here's how. Tip number 1 is to make great content for your website. Research and find the right keywords for your business and the products you are selling, and create content that is helpful for your targeted customers. For example, the ice cream shop owner should create content based on keywords like best ice cream recipes to try or best ice cream flavors to try in Toronto. This will help the shop rank high when people search for those particular keywords. Tip number 2 is to optimize your website's navigation structure. This technical part of the website will help site visitors learn more about your business and the products without having to spend a lot of time trying to find the right information. Search engines reward business websites that help customers navigate and find answers quickly. If you have a shop option on the website, make sure that adding a product to the shopping cart and checking out the selected product is seamless. Tip number 3 is to constantly check the loading speed and bouncing rate of your website. Website visitors won't spend a lot of time on a site if the loading speed is old school. This will in turn make them leave the website, and this can give search engines the signal that your website is not customer-friendly. The situation will result in your website being pushed down the ranks and your competitor going up. To prevent this, employ tools like heat maps and website analytics to learn at what point you are losing your customers. Tip number 4 is to get good reviews from your customers. If your customers are happy, they will talk about you online, but to entice them, offer a reward, maybe a 10% discount on the next purchase, or a giveaway contest. No matter what your strategy is, focusing on receiving 5-star reviews continuously will encourage search engines to recommend your shop. Google My Business is a great place to have a profile for your business, and customers will find it easy to leave a review there. And reviews will also help more people find you and visit your shop, thereby increasing overall sales. So, are you ready to take your website to its fullest potential? Let me know in the comments below what your questions and concerns are about search engine optimization. I will see you in the next video.